Hello, and I will install and configure boot on the Ubuntu and my console. And first, add this command to install npm. Add this command sudo apt update for enter the Y. And I add this command sudo upgrade and enter. Yeah, and enter for results. Y for results. Y for results, and then install npm and my server. This is late a little, and now I verify npm version in my server, and now I will check if I have not his installed on my server with commands and not version and verify. And I know I will install vuejs with the following commands: and sudo npm installed vuejs @sli and my console. And while this installation, install it and verify a version it vuejs in my console. And now I following add commands in my console, and we select vuejs in version 2 and select version 2 in my console, and I wait for results. And now we will create the project in vuejs with following commands is cd pro 1. This command is cd pro 1. I have problems with my computer. And add command is ll for check my document, and agregamos el siguiente comando, cdsrc, y checamos following commands. And now in run server with following commands and npm run server for my project one and my server. And why results? Are running at in local and network, and I enter with network and my computer. I copy the link and I have a Vue. Welcome to your Vue app.